Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. Let's start this week with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Sony Xperia 5V smartphone to launch on 1st September follows the Xperia 1V and Xperia 10V releases. Early reports suggest a dual rear camera setup and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. Available color might include black, blue, and white. Design expected to feature a matte finish with rare Sony branding. Wings Prime smartwatch and Flowbuds 300 earbuds launched in India. The smartwatch features a 1.96-inch LCD screen and a week-long battery life. Supports over 130 sports activities and health tracking features. Bluetooth calling, GPS tracking, and QR payment options available. Flowbuds 300 are true wireless earbuds with a leather finish. iQOO Z7 Pro to be launched in India on 31st August, introduced with a graphite matte color option. Potential rebranding strategy being discussed. Successful launch of the same model in China. The color choice highlights iQOO's focus on aesthetic design. Next up we have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 listed on Geekbench running on a Nubia phone. The benchmark results show scores of 1596 single core and 5977 multi-core prototype possibly linked to the rumored Red Magic 9. The new chipset might adopt a 1 plus 5 plus 2 architecture, expected to offer a more potent performance score. Boat launches Lunar ORB smartwatch in India. Features a 1.45-inch AMOLED display with always-on display function. Allows DIY customizable watch faces and Bluetooth calling. Available in multiple colors priced at 2,199 INR with the sale on 28 August 2023. Comes after the recent unveiling of the Wave Neo Plus smartphone. QBD Emerges has a significant MP3 and MP4 downloader. Offers a comprehensive entertainment platform for music and videos. Accessible on both desktop and mobile devices, ensures easy access to media content anywhere, anytime. Stands out amidst numerous download platforms. Apple's latest investment are focused on TSMC's 2 nanometer chip production. Reports suggest a possible 3 billion USD investment aimed at securing exclusive production rights. Speculations point towards 2024 iPhone models having these chips. This decision might impact the global chip market dynamics. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
आपको भी कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आया? ये एक ब्रॉडकास्ट टेस्टिंग मैसेज है। इंडिया के नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जैसे कभी अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई भी ऐसा डिजास्टर आता है, लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है टाइम पे, एंड इसकी टेस्टिंग चल रही है। तो आपको भी कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। इससे घबराना नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग और आपको अलर्ट करने के लिए आया है। तो अगर आपको ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक शॉट चाहिए तो IT वॉइस को जरूर फॉलो करें और दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव रील, ताकि आप भी टाइमली सतर्क रह पाएं और इस सारी चीज़ों से बच पाएं। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रील।